Namaste friends, Bridge course, Standard 10th, English, competency or learning outcome statement, predict the next part of the narration, conversation or description. Day 2, activity number 2, prediction for comprehensive reading skill. Read the following news headline and predict or guess what the news is about. Nadella named Microsoft's new chairman. Guess and write in your notebook what can be the news about. What does Microsoft refer to in the above news headline? What is Nadella? What do you know about Nadella? Now listen to the news carefully and think and write in your notebook what the news is about. Nadella named Microsoft's new chairman. New York. Microsoft's India-born CEO Satya Nadella has been appointed as the technology giant's new chairman, an additional role in which he will lead to the work to set the agenda for the board. Microsoft Corporation on Wednesday announced that the board's independent directors unanimously elected Nadella to the role of board chair and unanimously elected John W. Thompson as the lead independent director, a role he held previously from 2012 to 2014. Now, list any two sentences from the news and name their tense respectively. Guess and write what the expression technology giant refers to. Which is the origin, means country where he is born. Origin of Satya Nadella. What kind of information do you get from this news? So this is comprehensive reading skill activity and you have to predict. तर इथे अंदाज बांधणी प्रेडिक्ट म्हणजे अंदाज बांधणे. तर एक इंग्रजीमध्ये छोटी बातमी दिलेली आहे. त्या बातमीचं हेडलाईन म्हणजे मथळा असा आहे, नादेला named Microsoft's new chairman. This is the headline and you have to guess what about the first 4 questions. So I demonstrate here what can be the news about. The news is about the management changes in Microsoft Corporation, which is the leading software company. The chairman has been elected and he is Satya Nadella, who has been born in India. Now he is NRI because he has accepted the citizenship of United States of America. Then what does Microsoft refer to in the above news headline? Microsoft refers to the change in their management head in the headline as Satya Nadella named as the new chairperson of Microsoft. So this information we get from the news headline. What is Nadella? He is India born chief executive officer and now has been appointed as the chairman of Microsoft Corporation. Already you have listened to the news. You have to write such responses, your responses in the notebook. How to predict, I just demonstrate it. Now you have to list any two sentences from this news and name the tense of each one. तुम्हाला वहीमध्ये या बातमीतून 2 वाक्य निवडायची, कुठलीही 2 वाक्य निवडा आणि त्याचा काळ तुम्हाला इंग्रजीमध्ये ओळखायचा आहे, तर त्याचं तो काळ तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. वेदर इट इज सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स और सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स और प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स, जसं ते वाक्य असेल ते. आय विल नॉट डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट हिअर बिकॉज यू हॅव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अँड यू कॅन डू इट. ती तुमच्याकडून अपेक्षा आहे की तुम्ही ते केलं पाहिजे. देन नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी, हे सगळं वहीत लिहायचं आहे. यू हॅव टू राईट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन युअर नोटबुक. युअर रिस्पॉन्सेस मस्ट बी रेकॉर्डेड इन युअर नोटबुक. गेस अँड राईट व्हॉट द एक्सप्रेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी जायंट रेफर टू. बातमीमध्ये एक एक्सप्रेशन आलेली आहे सुरुवातीच्या पार्टमध्ये, इंट्रोडक्शन सेक्शनमध्ये. टेक्नॉलॉजी जायंट, व्हॉट डज दिस एक्सप्रेशन रेफर टू? This is important prediction activity. So technology giant, this expression has been used for Microsoft Corporation company. Then which is the origin of Satya Nadella? India. You get the reference here in the very first line of the news. India born CEO. So India is his origin. What kind of information do you get from this news? When I read this news, I understood that there are some management changes in Microsoft Corporation, and India-born CEO Satya Nadella has been appointed as the chairman of Microsoft company. This is one of the leading software company across the world. It is very much famous, and Satya Nadella is a very good administrative officer, chief executive officer, and he has administrative skills and management skills. He is author of a book. His book is very much popular across the world about different administrative skills, management skills. Then next activity, now read the following segments of the news. Again, you have already listened to and then read. तुम्ही ऑलरेडी ही बातमी ऐकलेली आहे, तुमची लिसनिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी झाली. देन यू हॅव रेड अँड नाऊ अगेन यू हॅव टू रीड दीज सेगमेंट्स. त्याच बातमीचे 3 तुकडे आहेत, आता 3 पार्ट्स आहेत किंवा कंपोनंट्स म्हणूया आपण. These are 3 components or segments of the same news. You have to name what is the first segment. So it is headline. What is the second segment? This is intro. And the third segment is main body of the news. So the answers, answer number 1 headline, number 2 intro, and number 3 is main body of the news. There are some instructions for the students. You have to read the text very carefully when you predict or guess any text. Before predicting, think about the text. Focus on what has already happened in the given extract. Find if author has left any clue. So then infogap activity. Read the following sentences and complete them. Mr. Satya Nadella was unanimously elected by dash to the role of the board chair. Then number 2, the announcement was done by dash. And number 3, Mr. Satya Nadella was born in dash. So you have to complete. This is info activity based on the same news you have listened to and read. Complete these 3 sentences based on it, and I hope you will do it independently. Not necessary to give all the answers from my part. This is expected from you. This is extension activity. One more characteristic of these 3 sentences, there is uniformity. They all belong to the same grammar structure. Guess it. Again prediction. Now evaluation activity. Read the following news. I'm sorry. Read the following news and write the following in your notebook. You have to write the headline from this news. Then you have to write intro, means first paragraph of the news. Then Number 3, main body of the news, that is continuous para of the news. Number 4, what is the news related to? So Hampi, Srikanth and Praneeth nominated for Khel Ratna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. This news is in the today's Lokmat Times, the current news. So you just write about, you the names are familiar because you like these sport persons very much. I will not give any more clue, and I'm sure you will easily attempt these answers accurately in your notebook. Your responses must be noted in your notebook. What general knowledge or current affairs knowledge do you get from this news? Again, I have given the clue. This is important. Current affair. Now, my takeaway tip. This is very important. When you conclude any न्यू लर्निंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी यू आर लर्निंग, कुठलीही नवीन ॲक्टिव्हिटी तुम्ही जेव्हा शिकता तेव्हा त्यातून तुम्हाला काय शिकायला मिळालं हे क्लोजिंगमध्ये लिहिणं खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं कुठल्याही कृतीच्या शेवटी. सो माय टेक अवे ऑर टुडे आय लर्न्ड. सो राईट इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स व्हॉट यू हॅव लर्न्ड थ्रू टुडेज ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. So this is today's bridge course activity based on the first competency or learning outcome. I hope you will enjoy it. Do it carefully. Thank you.